Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite. If you're looking to obtain money for your business, whether it be a loan, a credit line, or any other kind of financing, then you're going to want to check out this video because I want to show you exactly how you can get money for your business, even if you've been denied elsewhere, even if your bank has told you no. So many years ago, we discovered a big problem. We discovered that there's a lot of money in the marketplace available for entrepreneurs, but a lot of the business owners we were speaking with just didn't know where to go to actually get approved. A lot would go to their bank, and their bank would deny them because they didn't have great credit, or they didn't have collateral, or tax returns that showed tons of profit. A lot of them would go to alternative lenders, and they would have really good credit, and they would go to a lender that would approve them only if they had consistent cash flow, or maybe they had really bad credit and they would be going to a lender that required very good credit. So what we did was we created a system here that's become known as the Business Blueprint Qualifier. Now, the Business Blueprint Qualifier is a combination of a lot of different loan programs from a lot of different lenders. So we actually interviewed, looked into, spent time with thousands of different lenders, and we pulled out every legitimate funding program that exists today in the business financing arena. We put in over 30 funding programs that are available for business owners to qualify. Some don't require any credit at all. Regardless of your credit, you can get approved. Others, you don't need any kind of collateral to get approved. Others, you don't need any kind of cash flow to get approved. And we even have business credit where you don't need any of those to actually get approved. So let me show you exactly how it works. First of all, you go to our website, creditsuite.com/get funding. That's Credit Suite, which is SUITE.com/get GET funding, FUNDING, both those words together. Once you do so, you'll actually be able to go to a page called the Finance Blueprint Qualifier. You'll enter some information here, go through a few different pages to enter all of your information, and once you've done so, it'll populate results just like this of all the funding programs you can qualify for. So let's say maybe your strength is that you have good credit or have a good credit partner that does. Well, then you can qualify for up to $150,000 in 0% unsecured business financing. Okay, and in the Finance Blueprint Qualifier, we'll map out all the financing you can qualify for, the rates, the terms. There's even videos you can watch with more information. Maybe your strength is that you have some kind of collateral. Maybe it's equipment, or maybe it's inventory or real estate or 401ks or stocks or account receivables or purchase orders. Well, then you can qualify for asset-based or collateral-based financing, where you can get lower rates than you get even with SBA loans, and you don't have to have good credit, and you don't have to have cash flow to get approved. Speaking of cash flow, maybe your strength is that you have some kind of cash flow. Well, then that opens up options like revenue financing, where you can get approved in 24 hours and get funded with actual no other income documentation verification other than proving your bank statements. Just so you have consistent cash flow, and just as you can show that you have consistent cash flow, you can get approved regardless of personal credit, even with no collateral, and get approved quickly. Or let's say that you have average or better credit, and let's say maybe you've got tax returns or a really strong business behind you. Well, then you can qualify for venture capital. You can qualify for alternative SBA loans and private equity financing. All these type of financing or options are available for you, even when you meet average credit and income requirements. No matter what your situation is, the Finance Suite gives you the ability to obtain large amounts of business financing all in one place without needing to know where to go to actually get it. We bring the financing to you. We pull it together. This has never been done before. And not only do you have access to all these different financing options by filling out one simple Finance Blueprint Qualifier, but you're also working with our experienced team of finance officers. So you're working with our finance officers whose role is to sit down, talk to you about exactly what it is you're looking for, map out with the Finance Blueprint how to get you the money that you're actually seeking, and then goes to work to get you the money at the best terms. And because we do millions and millions of dollars worth of funding, then that means that you can use the leverage we have to get the best terms. Our finance officers go to banks where we place sometimes hundreds of deals with them. We get the best pricing. We pass that pricing right on to you. So not only You get access to this massive abundance of financing, but you're also doing so at better terms than you'll ever get on your own because you're using the leverage of all of our customer base to your advantage to get the best terms. Our loan processors, our finance officers are an entire team dedicated to helping you get money when you need it. And as you'll see, we also have cutting edge technology that will help you get access to a multitude of different funding programs. A lot of our customers even come in and are able to get approved for financing through multiple different sources. Some come in and they get cash flow financing, and they get unsecured financing, and they get private money, and they get equipment financing, and so on and so on. That's the beautiful thing about what's been created through the Finance Blueprint Qualifier, is you can come in, have the best chance of getting approved, whether you don't have collateral or you're a startup or whether you have bad credit, because we pulled together all of these different financing options through hundreds of different lenders into one place. And you also have the best chance of getting the most amount of money because you'll often qualify for multiple programs, and our finance team is there to help you and negotiate even on your behalf to help you get the best terms that are available. And the other best part about the Finance Suite Blueprint Qualifier is that if you don't have any financing you can qualify for, we can still help you with business credit. We can still help you build your business credit. So even if you don't qualify for any kind of business loan, we can still provide a solution to you where you can get access to money right away to start building your business. And as you do so, more and more and more of these type of options will become available. So again, you can get the most amount of financing at the best term. Look, we solved the cash access problem. You no longer need to be a business owner that's struggling to get money for your business. You simply go to creditsuite.com/get funding, you fill out our qualifier, and then we'll tell you all the financing that you can qualify for. If you don't qualify, then you can talk to our team about getting business credit so you will qualify. If you do qualify, then we can often get you approved for great terms, get you money quickly, and in a lot of cases, even get you approved for multiple finance options. So check out creditsuite.com/get funding to see how much money you can get for your business today, and let our technology and our team go to work to get you the most amount of money at the best financing terms.